Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Monday, October 8th, 2018, and we're looking at the EuroCAD on the 4-hour time frame. This is a break check. Let me show you guys here. This was your bounce point, right? The market bounces, pushes through large-bodied candle right there, breaks right through that level, goes sideways, pushes deep back into that level. Okay, remember, when this white candle, this is a single candle spike or a two candle engulf, bullish engulf. Either way you want to look at this, it qualifies as both. But what I want you to understand is when this white candle was first being formed, okay, it was a black bodied candle, just like this. Okay, it opened right here and it fell. Okay, and everybody thought this was the top. This was the break. The market's moving back inside. It's time to sell. Okay, and they sold, and they put their stop loss orders right here, and the market quickly took the stops. All right. Now, additionally, when the market originally broke with this large body candle, everybody bought right here. They put their stop loss here, so it was hit right there also. So this becomes an area of liquidity, a lot of liquidity. Everybody's being tricked and faked out. All right. So that's what our patterns are perfect at extracting from the market. Okay, these areas of liquidity. All right, so we wait for the market to tell us what it's going to do. Okay, this was a breakout. We're not going to trade the break. All right, we're going to wait for it to attempt to move back and fail. Okay, or that's the break check. Or we're going to wait for it to close. What if it closes back below? Okay, all right, now we're going to wait for it to check this level, and then we're going to sell. Or we're going to wait for it to break back inside and check the level, and we're going to buy. We're not going to just blindly jump in when the market breaks through a level. Okay, we wait for it to test it again, either way, and then we jump on if it completes a signal. All right, in this case it does. So the entry is straight away, and notice it pulled back a little bit below there. All right, but we're just going to target 2 times profit, which is up here. So a direct entry kept our 2 times profit target well below the target. All right, so I want you to notice that it pulled back much deeper. We could have probably targeted here if we would have known, but we don't know, so we have to let our target and our stop loss govern the entry, and that dictates, in this case, a direct entry. Okay, the market pulls away, comes back, and now look, we have all of this opportunity to get back in at or better than the original entry. All right, for this target right here. Okay, so there's ample opportunity. I just want to stress that for you guys, because a lot of people, when they're new to the membership, that's the big question. Hey, how am I going to trade every 4 hours? Okay, well, you don't have to. Sleep at night. Don't set your alarm. Go to work. Check it on your lunch hour. Have a mobile platform. Check on your lunch hour. Keep looking at the form on your lunch hour, or when you wake up in the morning, before you go to bed, when you get off work. Okay, you can do this part-time, because there is so much opportunity on these pullbacks. The majority of what we enter anyway is going to be on pending orders. In this example, it was a direct entry, okay, not a pending order, because the market dictated that. But as you can see, that 4-hour period, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. That's 20 hours of opportunity here. Okay, so if you couldn't have saw that, then yeah, you need to figure out something else to do. But if you can look at the market a few times a day and and understand how it moves and how it flows, then you're going to be successful in this business. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 10th, and our profit target was just reached as the market pushed right through off of this floor that was built, if you will. And I believe when I first recorded this, we were right here on this candle, and we discussed that there was approximately 20 hours of opportunity to take a second chance entry. Well, since that, there's been another 24 hours that where the market even pushed beneath the first 20 hours. Okay, before the springboard effect off of this this floor that was put in place. All right, so as the market pushes through and breaks through these levels, it's reaching this stall point right here, this breakout level, which is where we're going to watch for trades next. Okay, either be it sell opportunities or perhaps break checks to buy in this perhaps continued bullish market.